Hopefully this will be useful to someone. This is my Z3 air intake, which you can see is completely perished. And this is a new one, an Amazon special to go on there. You may know that these have a vacuum feed pipe which goes straight from the air intake to the fuel pressure regulator. So the issue with mine was that it just would not start. The fuel pressure just wasn't building. And it's fair to say this one has seen better days. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe.